Hi, I'm Vienta Black. So I'm a wife and a mom, and I just wanted to take this video to introduce myself and to share what this channel would be all about. So, um, nag-introduce naman na ako, no? So again, uh, I'm Vien. While we take this first video, technically first siya, no? After I have really um, follow the calling of God. So today I woke up 5 in the morning. Um, I have been meaning to do this kaya lang dinadrag ko pa kasi alam mo yun, di ba? As a mom, very overthinker ang nature natin. So we wanted to have it all planned, di ba? Well scripted, may pre-production and whatnot. But I guess with all of those in mind, hindi talaga nangyayari yung mga bagay na dapat ginagawa na natin, no? But now, I'm really taking action to do this and to follow what God has been calling me to do. No, right now in this season, napakahirap, no? There are so many difficulties happening in me as well. Um, the hardship, the suffering, the pain, the tears, no? Everything has been happening in me as well. So sabi ko, kung nangyayari to sa akin, of course, hindi lang siya sa akin nangyayari. No? Um, many people are being anxious. Many people are being becoming hopeless and discouraged. And I just wanted this channel to be that avenue where you will feel inspired, you will feel encouraged by the word of God, and you will feel that you have a friend of someone. As I was doing my quiet time with God, I realized Jesus is really my friend. I don't really have a lot of friends whom I call na talagang friends, no, except for my husband. But sabi ko, if I don't have that friends talaga, no, at least Jesus is there. And if I can be that person, that friend to just anyone or just to someone who would need to feel the love of God and the peace of God, I am going to make that video one day at a time or one video at a time. While I am taking this right now, this very moment, I just wanted to share what I have been going through as well. I'm 43 and I'm currently pregnant. This pregnancy is really difficult as I thought it wouldn't be that difficult. No? So, paano ko nasabi yun? Kasi, prior to this pregnancy, over a year, last August 2025 or 2024, I started my fitness journey. But, so yun, I started to do weight training, a bit of cardio, and a bit of discipline in terms of my food intake. And then last July, nagkaroon ako ng essential hypertension, but everything is okay. No complications in my heart and in my kidney, which is good. But then yun nga, nagkaroon ako ng essential hypertension, which I will be sharing siguro at a later time. But for now yun, and then come August, yun nga, I discovered I was pregnant. We were pregnant, we were expecting. That we really haven't expected, no? So, di ba parang ganun sinasabi nga, parang this is not planned by us, by our human nature, but we believe that this is really God's will and this is really what His plans are all about. Of course, it's a mixed emotion. Sabi ko, how can I be pregnant at 43 and I'm still having my essential hypertension? But anyway, yun, hirap talaga yung pinagdadaanan ko. And during this time, I have also realized na there is hope. Uh, we may feel that the Lord is away. We may feel that He seems to be like a stranger, but I am leaning onto His promise. So, yun. Basically, yun siya. That's the context of it, which I will be sharing. No? Again, this is my journey. This channel is what it's all about. Wala pa talaga akong concrete idea what would this be all about. But I know God has a lot in store for me. And He just wanted to use my gift, which is to encourage people, to support people in that manner. So here I am obeying that calling, and I just wanted to share talaga raw, unfiltered, and edited thoughts that has been happening to me, how I see. Nakaiyak pala to. How I see um, God amidst amidst my suffering, amidst my pain, and amidst my uncertainties. Hindi ko talaga alam. But I know that if I could touch one person at a time and let that person know that he is not alone, and the Lord will never leave him or forsake him. I am all for it. So ayan, very emotional. You know, the hormones are hormoning. Punas lang tayo. But yeah, so I hope you would support this channel so that many Filipino women or men would be inspired, would be encouraged. Meron palang channel for Pinoy. Kasi most of the time, yun yung nakikita natin na yung mga foreign channels. But of course, it would be best if we would have a channel like this, where we can just share raw thoughts, raw emotions like this. And yung parang, alam mo yun, I'm just talking to you like you're a friend of mine sitting in front of me and really encouraging you by the love of God as I see it happening in my life. You may see me walking sometimes, you may see me maybe sa car, but there, I just wanted to commit to the Lord and obey His calling, and I hope you support me as well. You encourage me as well kasi nga, di ba, we are here for a community. We always wanted a community where we can feel belong, and I just wanted to have this channel to be that community to you. So, yun. But I'll be sharing more of this, more of my life, more of my encounter, my testimonials, my journey, as a pregnant woman, woman at 43, with a lot of things going on in me as well. But for now, that's it. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope you feel blessed. You be blessed by God, and you'll be encouraged. Thank you.